Welcome. Today we're covering 5 free AI tools that replace $500 per month freelancers. 2024. You're paying $500 per month for tasks that a free AI tool can finish in 11 minutes. I know because I tested it. Last quarter, I helped a Myanmar-based e-commerce founder cut her monthly freelancer budget from $1,500 to under $200. Without sacrificing quality. The secret wasn't working harder. It was switching 5 critical workflows to AI tools that cost exactly $0. In this video, I break down the 5 free AI tools that are genuinely replacing paid freelancers right now. Not in some hypothetical future. But today, I'm not talking about gimmicky apps that produce garbage output. These are production-ready tools that entrepreneurs and small business owners across Southeast Asia are already using to save thousands. Here's what we cover. 0-100. The $500 per month live freelancers don't want you to know. 145. Tool number 1. Your new graphic designer. Canva Magic Studio AI. If you found this valuable, subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss our weekly AI breakdowns. See you next week.